Hey, what's good? It's your boy Arti Creator, and today we are gonna make a filter with particle system and sparkle from your eyes. Let's go.
How that sound? Yeah, that sound good. Tell them break it down. I so windy sing it.
First thing we need to do is download sparkar Studio. This is the software to make your filters. I'm gonna leave a link down below in the description so you can download it. Absolutely free. Okay, after you download it and launched it, here we need to add here create new and blank project. Let's make it bigger. For this project we need sparkles or stars, so let's search it. I'm gonna search sparkle PNG like that, and here you can choose whatever you want. Just choose your one and let's go. I already downloaded 3 stars for my project and I'm just gonna drop it right here. Their size is 100 and 100. Okay, in this window we are gonna add object, add face tracker, insert. After that we need to add to the face tracker, add null object, like that. Right click on the null object, let's add particle system. Okay, cool, let's stop it like that. Let's call our null object left, which is left eye, and our particle system star number 1. Star number 1. Click on star number 1 and add materials right here. Add material. Okay, cool. Let's find material right here. And let's change our material shader type to the flat. And here at the texture we need to add our star. Star number 1 like that. Boom. And at the render options right here we need to change to add. After that we need to go to advanced render options and click on this check mark like that. Okay, cool. Let's play. Wow, look at this, super cool. Let's go to the project, edit properties and compression, and let's make our compression quality 100%. Done. When it's on 100%, our stars looks better. Okay, let's go ahead and open left click on star number 1. Here you can change birth rate, like I'm gonna make it 15, like that. To understand which settings, which ones, you just change it and see what is going on. So make it 1, super duper slow. Make it 15, 14, super fast. Okay, let's make it 15. Let's make our spray angle -90, like that. And here we are gonna make 45. For now, let's make it like that, -90 and -90. Let's open particle window like that and make a lifespan about, I'm gonna make it 3, but you can adjust levels however you want. At the spin settings, we are gonna make like 360, so they're rotating like that. Here you can adjust scale like that. So now it is super big. Let's make it like that. Let's duplicate our particle system like that. Right mouse click and duplicate. Okay, let's go and customize a little bit our settings. For example, like that, speed 0.7, and here like that. Let's make it 30 and 30. Let's make these stars in particle window a little bit smaller, like that. Not like that. Yeah, 7 is good. I'm done with this one, and let's just duplicate this null object right here. Just right mouse click on it and duplicate. Okay, cool. Let's call it left 1. This one will be left 2. Let's call this star 1, 2, 2, 2, because you know our first ones are here and our second one are here. Let's make this null object invisible, like that. Boom. Okay, let's stop it and hide it like that. Let's rename our material and call it star number 1 and duplicate this material. Right mouse click and duplicate. Okay, at the star 1 material we're gonna go to the texture and add texture number 2. After that, we need to go to our null object and to our particle system. Let's click on it, and here at the materials, you need to choose star number 2. Okay, and here at the star 2, you need to add material star 2 again, like that. And here it is. Look at this. After that, click on star number 1, and at the particle window, we need to change our spin. Again, however you want, but I make it like that. Like minus 360. Let's hide it like that and duplicate it again. Right mouse click and duplicate. Cool. Let's make this null object invisible. Click on it and make it invisible. Like that. Let's back to this one. Let's call this star 1, 3 and star 2, 3. And again, let's duplicate our material star number 2. Duplicate. Let's go to the star 3, and here you need to add at the texture star number 3, like that. After that, we go to the star number 1, 3 and add in our new material star 3. Cool. And the same thing we need to add to the star number 2, 3. Material star 3. Look at this. Wow, oh my god, I love this sparkle. And now let's make visible all our layers, like that. Click on this null object left 2 and make it visible. Click on left number 1 and make it visible. Next thing we need to do is add our patch editor. You can add it right here, show hide patch editor. And now in the patch editor, we are gonna link our eyes to our sparkles. Let's go. Okay, you can make it like that, just hide it and press on it, and face tracker, you need to drop it right here. Bam. Here you need to double click and search eyelid. Okay. And here you need to connect. Okay, let's select all our null objects and click on position right here. Okay, we have our 3 null objects. And here you need to find left outside corner position. Let's make it like that. And let's connect this one to this one. Left upper eyelid. Center position to left 2 and left 3. And look what we have. Also, you can connect all of these null objects to this one, like that. And make this kind of effect. It's just upon you, you can play with it. Okay, what we need to do next is go to these null objects and select them all. Right mouse click on it and duplicate. Okay, cool. Let's hide all of them. Okay, here you can see what we are using, this 1, 2 and 3, and what we are not using. So let's call it right 1, right 2 and right 3. Let's make it right here. Okay, all together, right 1, right 2 and right 3, like that. And here what we have. So for right ones, you need to change the angle. For example, press on star number 1 on the right one, and let's go and change spray angle on just 90, just 90 and just 90. And here we need to change again. Just delete your minuses. And here at the particle system, you need to change the spray angle at the X on 90, not minus 90, because it's gonna be like that. And let's make the same action for all of these, for all of these particle systems. Let's go. After we have our all particle systems done, we need to hide it like that and just select our null objects and press on position like that. And here we have 3 null objects, 3 right null object. Okay, and let's find right outside corner position, which is this one. Okay, and let's connect it like that. Okay, next thing we're gonna add is action when you are blinking. Let's go. From the face tracker, from the face, you need to make it like that and add blink. Bam, blink. Cool. To the blink, we're gonna add switch. switch. Okay, and next thing we need is if then else. To make our sparkles birth when you're blinking, let's open all our null objects like that. So what we need to do is make the same birth rate for our first star and the same birth rate for our second star. For example, here we're gonna make 15 and let's copy and paste it to every first star we have on our null objects like that. 15 and 15, just copy and paste. And let's see what we have on the star number 2. It's 10. So just copy and paste to all stars number 2, 10. We have 10 here, 10 here, 10 here, and 10 here. Okay, that's good. And now let's duplicate if then else. Just copy and paste. And now just collect all stars number 1 like that. Just collect, and after you select all first stars, you need to press on birth rate like that. Okay, our birth rate 15. So here at then you need to add 15, and we have 10 on our second star, so here you need to add 10. Cool. And now let's connect it like that. And let's make the same actions for the second stars. Just select all of them like that and press on birth rate like that. And again, just connect it with if then else with then birth rate. Okay, let's scale it up. So what we need to do next is from our blink, let's connect it with turn on. Let's connect off this one like that and double click. Let's add delay. Okay, and again from the blink, connect it with input, and output connect with turn off. Let's make it like 0.7. So look at this, when he blinking they are still there, but after 0.7 seconds it's gonna hide. I created a full course about sparkar for beginners. So far, it's #1 world's biggest course about sparkar Studio. We're gonna make most popular Instagram and Facebook filters in the world. So if you want to go from 0 to hero, this is the perfect course for you. I'm gonna leave a link for that course in the description so you can check it out. See you in the class!